My name is Mr. George Cantriff, the CEO of Geocan Educational Channel, and I present to you Solve Math. Our topic for today is subtraction of fractions of the same denominator. What I mean is we are going to talk about fractions of the same denominator. We all know a fraction has a numerator and a denominator. And today we are going to talk about subtracting fractions which have common or the same denominators. Let's move to the board and look at some examples. Let's look at example 1. 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12. These fractions have a common denominator. And what's the denominator? The denominator is what? 12. 12. 7 over 12, 3 over 12. The denominator is 12. If you have such fractions, the rule is just subtract the numerators. Please, these are the numerators with 7 and 3. So if you have fractions of the same denominators, the rule in math is subtract the denominators. So simple. Let's tackle this. Good. The denominator is what? 12. Please, rule a line, you leave a space. We are using the vertical way of solving fractions. So you write your denominator, common denominator, which is 12. Then just subtract the numerators. 7 minus 3. You write it nicely under it. It will be equal to, now, what is 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3 is what? It's 4. So 4 over your denominator, which is what? 12. Easy as ABCD. You are done with it. That is the answer. I believe you got it. Let's look at 2. 10 over 20 minus 6 over 20. It has a common denominator, that particular question of what? 20. So leave your space, rule your line, and write your 20. And the rule is fractions of what? Common denominators. In dealing with them, you just have to subtract the what? The numerators. So we have 10 minus 6. Nicely written. Now, 10 minus 4 is what? It's easy. It's what? It's 4 over your denominator, which is what? 20. So the answer is 4 over 20. Easy as ABCD. Now, this is question 3. I would want you to take time and solve that on your own. That is 16 over 32 minus 11 over 30. Try your hands on this and finish me with the results via our various platforms, Solve Math, on Facebook, Geocan Educational Channel, on YouTube and Facebook as well, and also on Kids Zone. And indeed, I'll provide you with a feedback. Yes, this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I believe you followed it. This is simple steps. As I always say in mathematics, we follow rules. And if you follow the rules, you'll be happy with math. So we meet again. It's Solve Math. Love math. Adios.